Okay, so while these guys are working away, I am going to clean up this tree, the base of it, and to water it. Just like I've done over to this tree over here, which we transplanted. So this is what it looks like now. Let's see what it looks like in an hour or so. I don't know, I love watching big trucks carrying loads, moving stuff. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. When are they gonna make an electric motor that'll do this? He does a trip in 5 minutes. That means, and it takes about 5 minutes to load it, so 6 loads an hour. 6 or 7 or 8 maybe. Anyways, the top of the hill there is loaded with fill now. The big house is going to be no problem. Now we'll have to move over to the little house and do it, and then we have to come down here and fill that in. And so, oh my god, I hope we're done tomorrow with the truck. Bye for now.